So hi again, this is Elias Shelby, and we're gonna complete our tutorial of creating a simple Node.js Express server. So now I'm gonna be focusing on middleware, and to create the middleware is just as simple as typing app.get, and get is a request method to get information or to extract information from the server. So in this request, we're requesting infos from the server, and I'm gonna say just the route will be the same as the localhost 9000, and for simplicity, I'm gonna say that a middleware is just a function that takes a request and returns a response for the user of the web app or the website. So it's gonna take request and it's gonna return a response. So I'm gonna create an arrow function right here, and it's just as simple as displaying a message. So response dot send, and we're gonna send a response saying we are connected. So we're gonna save it, and if we go right here and go like to localhost 9000, okay, so we see the message that we displayed and that we sent it, via the response. So we are connected right here. So great. But with large scale applications, we should create another folder for the routes and the middlewares. So here I created a routes folder, and inside this routes folder we find router.js file, and I'm going to show you how to create a router and then export it and import it in the index.js file to use it. So I'm gonna import my express. So constant express is equal to require express, and we're gonna use the router. So constant router is equal to express dot router, and router also is an express method, so we use parentheses with it. Great. So here we can create our middleware. So router dot get, it's another get request, and the route will be /user, and we're gonna say, as always, it's a request and a response. Great. Arrow function again, and we're gonna send back a response. We're gonna send, this time we're gonna send a status. So if the request is successful, so we're gonna send a status of 200, and then we're gonna send back a JSON object that contains just simple object as a name. The name will be my name, which is Elias, comma, and then I'm gonna display my age, and I'm gonna say 29. Great. So before everything, we should export our router to be able to use it in our index.js file. So we say module.exports is equal to router, and like this we just exported our router. So I saved it, then I already imported right here. So constant router is equal to require router from the routes folder, and the router file. So we're gonna what we're gonna do right here to be able to use it is saying app.use, and the route we're gonna just say it's a slash, because we already here said what the routes is, and it's user. And then we're gonna say what's the the router that we're gonna use, and we already imported our router here, so we're gonna pass through our router. I'm gonna save, and to make sure all is working, we go to our Google Chrome navigator, and if we do like, I'm sorry, so localhost 9000 and with /user, we see the object that we already sent from our server. So when we request to user, it just sends us a JSON object that contains user with a name and an age. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm new to YouTube, and I'm a little bit busy, so I know some guys will be complaining about the quality of the video and the way I'm talking, but I think I'm gonna be better in time. So I hope you enjoyed it, especially some guys that are beginners and want to learn some of the MERN stack technologies. And see you again next time. We're gonna talk about the controllers. So guys, God be with you, and till next time, thank you.